Hi, I'm Rachel, and I want to thank you for signing up for our Self Care Sunday program. Today's event is all about spending time in nature, and that is because interacting with the natural world is good for your mental and physical health. In one article I read, researchers studied the impact of taking group walks in nature on mental well being. The results revealed some pretty interesting information. First, the group nature walks helped the participants gain a sense of well being, content, and positive emotions. The study also showed that group nature walks taken after a stressful event actually reduces the negative effects of the event, replacing them with positive effects. Finally, this study found that participants who participated in the nature walks more frequently reported a higher positive impact. So, spending time in nature with your friends and family is good for your mental health and reduces stress. Also, the more often you do it, the better. Another article talked about the study of solitary nature experiences, and it produced similar results. This study measured the levels of positive emotions after outdoor experiences and indoor experiences, and it found that nature produced more positivity. One important element to note here is that even something as simple as walking in a city park provided enough of a natural habitat necessary to spark joy. So today, our project is all about being outside. We are creating nature prints. We are using paper that is sensitive to the sun to create a piece of art. Take some time to walk outside, either with friends and family or by yourself. Find something interesting to use for your nature print and bring it home. Just a reminder, when choosing something to take home, stay away from Lisa 3 or 5. Poison ivy and poison oak do not spark joy. Once you have chosen what you would like to use for your nature print, I suggest pinning the paper down to cardboard. When I tried this without pinning the paper down, the wind kept blowing up the corners and made the print look pretty messy. I chose these two flowers and arranged them on the paper. I even went ahead and used a small pin to hold them together. Next, lay your work in the sun. It will not take very long, especially on a very sunny day, for the print to work. I only had my paper out for probably less than a minute. Once your print has set on the paper, bring it inside and place it flat in a bit of cold water. Leave it in the water for only 1 minute. Lay it flat to dry, and you will have a beautiful print to remember your outdoor moment.